from this to this. Today, I'm taking you inside our local Posho mill. Cost, process, and the one mistake that ruins your flour. Welcome to Ruiru Homestead Diaries. I'm Carol. You see this maize here? We grew it on our 1/8 acre plot this season and harvested it and then put it on top of our chicken coop to dry out so that we can take it to the Posho mill. Now it's time to take the maize to the mill. First, we remove the maize from the cobs and then we put it out to dry in the sun so that it can completely dry out. Have you ever wondered what happens at the Posho mill? Today, I'm taking 10 kilos to the Posho mill, and so after removing the maize from the cobs and drying it out, I put the maize in my own sack because the miller will not give me her own sack, or otherwise I might have to buy one, and this will be an extra cost on me. Come, let's now go to the Posho mill and see what happens. Once I arrive at the Posho mill, the first thing that I do is to weigh the maize, and then I pour all the maize in the sieve to remove the bad seeds and anything that cannot be ground by the mill. It's time to mill. It's gonna be a little bit noisy, but I want you to see the whole process. So guys, this is the final result. Grade 1 ground fine flour. Locally, we call it ordinary maize flour, meaning that the top part of the maize has not been removed. If you noticed, there were two main milling machines in this Posho mill. One is for milling fine flour like maize, ngano, and millet. The other one is for milling coarse seeds like muthokoi. It takes about 2 minutes per 2 kg of a bucket to mill. Milling cost me 10 shillings per kilo. The total cost for a 10 kg sack cost me 100 shillings. I did not use any transport because I walked to my local Posho mill around my area. A 10 kg packet of maize meal in Kenya generally ranges from 625 shillings to 880 depending on the brand and supermarket. This means I have saved over 600 shillings to mill 10 kilos of flour. Plus, it also tastes much better because it's fresh from the farm. So that's a day in the Posho mill, from our shamba to our table. No chemicals, just pure maize. Do you mill your maize or buy flour? Comment below. Subscribe because next week I'm showing you how to store maize without weevils. Asante and see you in the next one.